Hi, everybody. Mr. Dobransky here. Just wanted to do a quick little demonstration, hopefully, here of some of our Seesaw things and how to get things uploaded. Basically, with Seesaw, we're kind of have two different styles of activities. There's some where you're going to do something and then just upload a picture or a video showing you doing that thing. So those are things like your journal writing. You're going to write that on a piece of paper at home, take a picture of it, and then send it in through Seesaw. Uh, and there are other things where there's sort of like a worksheet thing. It's called a template that's on Seesaw, where you're going to see a worksheet. So sort of like the Getty Museum Challenge thing we're doing, or some of the subtraction things, or the Find a Sight Word thing that you're going to draw on there, or maybe even add a picture or something like to there. So there's two different things. So we're going to start off talking about where there's no real worksheet. You just are going to either add a photo or a video and send that in. Okay, so we see here this just a little demonstration thing, Seesaw demo without template. What you'll see is for all of these activities, like here should be where the instructions are. Okay, so for instance, let's take a look at one we've had before. We'll see this reading with, or let's take a look at our Getty Museum Challenge one, and you'll see. So there's more detailed instructions on what to do. So that's basically what to do with the activity and how to send it in. Okay, and also you'll notice it'll say play instructions, so you can play this, and it's just me basically reading the instructions if that's a little easier. Okay, so all you have to do is just click the play button. This is where the instructions will be on how to do and send the activity. Okay, so that will help you out hopefully a little bit with doing that. So to start the activity, what you do is you click this add response button. Okay, so add a response. Click that. I don't know if this pops up or not. So my screen is going to be a little bit differently since I've got the teacher screen than the student screen. Okay, but anyway, so this is one where if you're going to either upload a video or a photo of something you do. Now, if you've already taken that photo or the video with something else, or even on the device, what you're going to do is you're going to select this upload button. Okay, so to do that, just click that there, and then you're going to select a file. Now, if, for instance, if you're doing Seesaw on your Chromebook, but maybe you took the photo or the video with a phone, what you would have to do is you would have to email that photo or that video. You'd have to email it to the student Gmail account, okay? Because that's how we log in. So you would email that to the student Gmail account, and then when you're on the Chromebook, you can access the Gmail there. There should be a little thing that looks like you see this icon here. There should be something on the Chromebook that looks like that. You could click on that. Their email should automatically pop up. So for instance, I emailed myself this picture here, okay? And what I can do is, if you see at the bottom here, you'll see an option to either download the picture or send it to your Google Drive. What you could do is you could either download it and maybe it'll go to your, well, I don't know exactly where it goes on Chromebooks. I don't know if it's going to go to the desktop or somewhere, but you could send it there, or you could send it to your Google Drive. I would suggest, even though Google Drive is an option with this one, if there is a template, I don't think there's an option to go to your Google Drive. Again, it might be different on Chromebooks. I'm not using a Chromebook, so I don't know exactly how it works. But I think it's safer to say if you just download it to the desktop there, or download it to the whatever download folder it is. So anyway, so download that, and then let's see, we'll go back here, and I am going to select the file here, And I'm gonna take here's the picture right here. So I'm gonna select this, select. Okay, so then the file should show up here. I go up to this green check mark thing up on the upper right corner, click that, and it should post there. And if you wanted to add something, if you wanted to draw on it, you could draw on it a little bit. If you wanted to add some text, you could add some text. Do whatever you want to do. If you make a mistake, here's this button right up here, this undo button. Just undo, and then undo that, and then you are good to go. So if this is what you want to send, so for instance, this might just be a picture of your journal, or it might be a video of you reading one of your books. This would be where it lives, and then once you're good with it, click that green check mark again, and it should be uploaded, ready to go. Okay. Now, so there is an example of that. Let's go. Oops, not that. Let's go activities. Let's go to one where there is a template. Okay, so again, we're going to click that add response. And say we get something that looks like this. Okay, now if, for instance, for like the Getty Museum Challenge, we want to add a photo to that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and select the photo button. Okay, now you have two different options. Now here's the kind of the confusing thing, because like when I click on it, I can't select the Google Drive. I can't go to my Google Drive there. Again, on a Chromebook, it might be different. So that's why I'm suggesting download it to the Chromebook itself. But here I find the file name of that picture I had. I click open, and then poof, it goes right there. And you could see if the mouse cursor kind of looks like this, you could see the like a little cross there. That means you could move it around. So if you need to put it over here, you put it over here. You want to put it over here, you can put it over here. You could do that. If you hover over the dots, you can make it bigger, make it smaller, however you want. Okay, and then if you take a look here, so you take a look down here, you see the finger with that. That means that you can move the photo around. But if you wanted to also draw a little bit, click on the pen here. You could choose whatever color you want. Okay, and then you could draw as you wish. And once you are all done, you can click your the green check mark up here, and that should be it. You submitted your photo there. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, now the other thing is, let me get rid of this for a second, and I got to delete this. Delete this. Okay, if we go back to our activities, now if you wanted to use the camera on the Chromebook itself, all you would do is you'd go back to add a response, and then over here on the side, you'd click that camera. Here you would click photo. Okay, so you'd click photo. And here I am here. Hello, hello. And then all you would do is do that. And now I think you could click the space bar. That should work. Click the space bar. That takes a photo. Or you could click one of those things there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is some closure hair right there. You could just click that space bar, and you could move the photo as much as you want. Okay. That just about does it. I don't know if I don't know if that clarifies things or makes things even worse, but hopefully that might help being able to post some things on Seesaw. Again, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask, and I will help you as best I can. All right. Thank you guys so much. Can't wait to see those wonderful things coming up on Seesaw. All right. Bye for now.